Welcome back to CIEgroup.com. I'm Chris, and today we're taking a look at the brand new R29C smart intercom device from Akuvox. Akuvox is the latest brand to be added to the CIE product range, so we're really pleased to add this global IP intercom brand to our product portfolio. We'll take a look at the wider range of Akuvox products in other videos, but we really wanted to kick off with what we believe to be one of the most advanced door intercom devices available on today's market, the R29C. As you can clearly see, the Akuvox R29 isn't your average metal box and keypad door intercom device. In fact, there is no standard keypad, as this smart IP intercom is fully controlled via this large 7-inch capacitive touchscreen. But what really makes this device stand out from the crowd is the huge range of latest technology identification options, all available as standard. Not only do we get PIN code access,
welcome, please come in,
concierge call button,
calling,
multi-frequency RFID card reader,
welcome, please come in,
and digital touchscreen phone book.
To search, please enter the name or apartment number or just slide up and down to search. Calling.
But the Akuvox R29C is one of the very first door intercoms on the market to feature highly secure 3D facial recognition, just like the technology you'll find in the latest generation smartphones. And what's more, the facial recognition function is completely hands-free. So if your hands are full of shopping or you'd simply prefer not to touch the screen, you can walk up to the intercom and the 120-degree camera will recognise you, or not if you're a complete stranger. And speaking of strangers, if all of these identification options simply aren't enough, the R29C also features a unique QR code recognition functionality. So for temporary access permissions, perhaps for deliveries or for utilities service engineers, you can simply generate a unique QR code via the Akuvox Smart Plus app, send it to the user's phone, and when they display it to the R29C's camera, it will allow instant access to the building within a chosen time period.
Please hold your QR code in front of the camera or enter your temporary PIN. Welcome, please come in.
Taking a look at the R29C's user interface in a little more detail, we can see that it supports 4 on-screen languages: English,
Hello,
Spanish,
hola,
French,
bonjour,
and Chinese,
你好,
and has 3 different interface layout modes, which either limit or extend the number of features and functions available to the users. So here we can see the MDU mode, this one the single dwelling residence format, and finally the commercial building layout mode. And if these 3 modes aren't quite right for your needs, then the device's GUI can be customised to add or remove buttons as required. This device is IP65 rated for outdoor use and includes ONVIF support, allowing integration with full HD CCTV camera streams. And as you'd expect from an IP connector device, it can be powered by power over Ethernet or 12-volt supply. On the back of the intercom, there are 3 independent relays for the control of separate door locks, gates, barriers or lights for example, plus 3 input sensors for door monitoring and exit requests. Available now from CIEgroup.com, Akuvox's flagship smart IP intercom, the R29C takes door entry and access control to a whole new level.